Good evening, folks. Hope y'all have had a wonderful week as we have. Well, folks, it's happened. We hit 108 subscribers this week. Thank you so much, and I want to show you how much I appreciate y'all. So everybody that's subscribed is in this bucket.
Everybody that's publicly subscribed.
Yes, is in this bucket.
We can't get to everybody, sorry.
And this is officially a bait bucket because it has an ugly dog sticker on it. So I think my wife went to Jibo's this morning or somewhere. Found a little bucket. So I don't know how to thank y'all as much as I'd like to. The growth on the channel is just astounding right now. The watch time is wow.
499 watch hours, which
yes,
we never thought
possible
that we would get at all. So.
You know, I know the videos weren't that good from the start, but I've tried to improve them and improve our equipment and improve everything to make this enjoyable for you as it is for me. I couldn't have done it without my beautiful wife. I'd just be out here painting, drinking. You know, that's what rednecks do. You know, we like to paint, cook, and blow shit up. So, but I don't know how to thank y'all. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a drawing. And whoever wins this drawing, I'm going to send you 5 custom painted baits. 5 different styles of custom painted baits. They're actually, everybody tell me I need to call them designer baits. But because my baits are all designed by me, you know, whatever, custom painted, designer, whiskey baits, beer baits, I don't care. But that's all I can do right now to show you how much I appreciate you, and I'll send you some stickers in the package too. And you know what? There's nothing like just jumping out here and just shaking these up and letting my beautiful wife draw a name. So she said if I don't call her that on camera, I was going to get the hell beat out of me. So see, it's senior abuse again. So let's shake them up good. See them all in there? Uh-oh, I throwed some out. Let's shake them up good. And she will draw the name, and we'll get this out in the mail Monday or Tuesday, depending on how Monday goes. We got ugly weather here, drizzly, rainy, snow, sleet, you name it. Don't look in there. You look at me directly in the eyes, baby. It's mesmerizing, ain't it? Yeah. So she drew the name. And Roger Buchanan, he won the drawing. Awesome. So he'll send us an email and we'll get in touch with you and get an address so we can get these out in the mail to you. Thank you so much for subscribing, and thanks everybody else for subscribing to and watching. And when we hit 200, we'll do another drawing. You folks have a blessed day, and we'll catch you later.